Hi viewers, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to get your national ID renewed in 2026. So I'm like, to get your national ID renewed, these are the following things you need. First of all, you need your old national ID. So when I reached the NIRA office, I had to wait in a line because others were also registering their national IDs, and the only thing that they asked from me is my national ID, like the old one. Then they entered all the information by themselves, the name, the details, everything. They just replaced the information from the old ID to the new one. So basically, you don't need any form, you don't need any signature. Just go with your old ID and they'll finish everything from there. It's pretty quick. It took like only I'd say 10 minutes, and it was really quick. And whatever they're doing, you'll be seeing it from an opposite screen next to you. So if they make any mistake, you can easily tell them to correct it. It's pretty simple. And the only thing that they updated from the new ID that's not on the old ID is only the iris scan. That's the only updated new thing. Of course, after you giving them your national ID, they'll ask for your biometrics. They'll make you re-enter your fingerprints. They'll retake your photo to update it to the new ID. And the only new thing they'll do is take your iris scan. So it will be iris scan, fingerprints, and photo. And that's the only thing they'll do. Then they'll enter the rest by themselves. Then after that, they'll ask for your phone number. Then they'll send an SMS to your phone number confirming that you have renewed your national ID. Then they'll tell you when to go and pick it up. Then you can pick it up. Alright, viewers, this brings us to the end of our video. Please like, share, subscribe to support me. I love you all so much. Bye.